Myself, Sia, and I welcome you all for this success story. So, today we have Supraja with us, who will be sharing her journey. Supraja has recently got a job as data annotator at a company called as Tika. So, Supraja, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, wonderful, Supraja. So, tell us something about your journey from being a student at DataMites and successfully working. Now you have got a job as a data annotator, right? So, share us about your journey with us.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Um, Hi everyone. I'm Damarli Supraja. I'm excited to share my journey into a data annotation, which became an important step in my data science career. Uh, I came from a BTech background in the computer science engineering, and I always been interested in understanding how the data will works and how it powers the AI and machine learning. So during my journey, I have learned so many things like machine learning and Power BI and SQL and Git also. So this in DataMites, I have learned, the project building and all. So this experience helped me gain the hands-on exposure to the real world data preparation and, improve my focus and strengthen my interest in the data-driven roles. So I'm grateful to the DataMites for giving me this opportunity, and I hope my journey will motivate the others to explore and grow in the field of data science.
Okay, wonderful, Supraja. So, tell us that you have started your journey with Python. So, being from BTech background, was it easy for you to cover the topics like Python and then machine learning? How was the experience?
Yeah, in my BTech, Python and machine learning are also there as a subjects. So, somewhat the basic fundamentals I have learned in my BTech. So later on, I involved in deep in the Data Mines Institute.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So, how much time you used to spend for your studies, Supraja? Daily, 2 hours used to be the session. So, how much time after that you used to spend to go through the topics, practice the topics, right? How much time you used to spend daily?
Like after the 2 hours of session, I will revision, that what the trainer told in that class. I will revision the entire day, and in the evening I'll practice some. Apart from academics, we have to practice the, the um what is that basic English communication, and that math skills and logical reasoning questions. You have to practice those also. So in the evening I'll practice those, and I'll practice some SQL questions on lead code. Like that I'll practice those questions.
Okay, so any materials you used to prefer, right? Any YouTube videos or anything apart from what our trainers had shared? You can tell us about that.
Yeah, the trainers share the material and some reference, like we can practice on some websites, right? Geeks for Geeks and lead code, hacker rank, and those all I practiced on those, and I didn't use any materials. I just followed those websites, and practice will make everything perfect, right? So that's all.
Wonderful, wonderful. So once you completed your phase two, you went through internship phase. So tell us about the projects you did over here at DataMites.
Okay, coming to the projects, I have done the um, customer transaction project, and that is related to the bank. And one more thing is Big Mart sales prediction and Blinkit sales one, and
Okay.
the hospital stay prediction.
Wonderful. Very nice. Very nice. All right. So once you completed your internships, right, you went through our pet team. So tell us about the mock interviews. What was your job ready score to crack the mock interviews?
Yeah, in the first interview, I got around 5.3, and after I improved myself regarding to the mock interview, like you have to prepare more. And in the second interview, I cracked that one. I got a 6 marks, and after that, I am receiving the placement assistance from the DataMites Institute. Later on, I'm continue to applying the jobs which you have shared with me.
Great. So how many client interviews you gave Supraja before you cracked this Tika one?
Like the only DataMites provided one, or any other also we are asking.
Any other also? How many interviews you gave before you cracked this Tika company?
Yeah, I'm very active in LinkedIn. I'll daily see the LinkedIn post. I'll apply uh, via mail and all. And I applied to the data analyst roles and attended the interviews. And what are all they saying is nothing but you are a fresher, and they need some experience to proceed on. So until second and third round, I have gone, and after that, they'll say we need some experienced professionals. So that's the reason.
Okay. Okay, Supraja. So, how was your preparations, dear? Where you, right, you prepared for the interviews, right? And I guess this Tika is more into, right? They were into analytical skills and logical thinking. Those things they will be most testing. Also, where did you prepare, right, from? So, anything materials you referred for that?
Um, I prepared these aptitude questions are there. I prepared from Geeks for Geeks and India Big Something websites are there. And for logical reasoning questions also, I prepared on Geeks for Geeks only. And one more thing is English communication is also important as well as. And so yeah, they conducted 4 tests regarding this interview. First one is math skills, basic math skills. So everyone should be whatever he the role is, we should have to perfect in basic maths, right? First of all, and after that, English communication is the second one, and logical reasoning questions. They conducted 2 tests on logical reasoning questions, and one is mathematical and one is English. Total 4 tests they have conducted. After that, they informed to give us the feedback.
Okay, so any technical questions were asked to Praja, like anything related to data science, machine learning, any questions related to that?
No, they didn't ask anything about that. Computer skills they have asked.
Okay, only computer skills and you could say the more were of aptitude and English, right? Logical reasoning, all those kind of questions were
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Mm.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so tell us about one important skill, Supraja, which we need to master in order to crack any interviews. You must have answered many interviews by now, right? The
Mm.
mock interviews and even some of where you have applied, right? So tell us which important skill we freshers, right, have to focus more on to crack any interview.
Yeah. In my interviews, so many asked about uh, the real world projects regarding how to do the real world projects they asked. But as a fresher, we don't know the real world projects, right? Until unless we worked on any company, we don't know the real world project. So we have to, I think, take one case study and we'll study it and we'll research and we'll work on it, um, and we'll do on your own so that we can understand something, can build a project using machine learning and Python, whatever SQL or so. On you based on your own, you have to try the what the project is, what the may objective of the project is. So that will help more, I think.
Yeah, that's a wonderful advice, right? As a fresher, you need to try on more and more to do the real-time projects. Wonderful, Supraja. Okay, so we can see we have no questions from attendees over here. Attendees, if you have any questions, please ask to Supraja. So when is the joining? Anything they told about the joining, when you have to join and all?
Yeah, they asked me to join on Monday or Tuesday.
Okay, so it will be in the Bangalore itself or anywhere,
Yeah,
any
in the
other.
Bangalore itself, and it is nearby the electronic city, Singasandra.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful, Supraja. So
Yeah,
thank you so much for your time, right? You have given some wonderful insights for, right, the freshers or the new joiners. So your insights have been really very helpful for the others as well. So congratulations once again for your achievement. We are very proud of you. And right, take care and best of luck for all your future endeavors, Supraja.
yeah. Thank you so much, and you are my trainer. You taught me the Python and machine learning all.
Who is it?
Thank you
From
so much.
which batch you are, Supraja?
I'm July 8th batch,
Eighth
2024.
batch. Okay,
Yeah,
wonderful, wonderful. Nice
yeah,
to know about it. So best of luck, Supraja, in your all future endeavors. Take care.
yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah, bye, Supraja. Take care.
Yeah.